Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me. My name is Sesha Bojnapalli, and we are here at the Princeton SAFE meetup, October 2019. The goal for today is I want to just give a quick introduction about SAFE 5.0, what is it, and what changed. Okay, and again, it will be more of an interaction. So please interrupt me if you have any questions. Let's not wait till the end. Okay. So, in terms of SAFE, what is SAFE? SAFE is a scaled agile framework. And when we say framework, what does that actually mean? It's the way of actually doing some work, interaction between the entire organization, each and every layer. And that's why you see different layers here. There are 3 different layers. So we're going to talk about this different configuration, what SAFE is, what lean agile mindset is, and all that. So before we don't get overwhelmed with this entire diagram, so let's go all the way to the bottom. So SAFE says these are all the core competencies. There's a core competency here, and then 3 and 6, total 7 core competencies, part of the SAFE framework. The most important, at least in my head, the most important of the core competency is right here, which is the lean agile mindset. Why is this leadership? Why is this important? What they're saying is it's actually important to actually create lean agile mindset oriented leaders. And when they say leaders here, they don't actually mean management, they actually mean everyone. So everyone is a leader because you're leading the entire SAFE transformation. So that's what they mean by lean agile and by the leaders. But if you see on the left hand side, this is being lean agile. We'll talk about what that is. And this is actually doing lean agile. And the reason they have it differentiated between being and actually doing, it's very critical in actually understanding what we need to do, what is lean, what is agile, what are SAFE principles, what are SAFE core values. If we don't understand that, it's very hard for us to implement it. So that's why they're starting at this level. Now, they're talking about there's 4 core values of SAFE. And then they're also talking about lean agile mindset. Did anyone hear about the word lean agile? What is lean agile? What is lean?
Like a kind of canvas or something?
It's a manufacturing process. That's how it started. It's a mindset. But it's a mindset or a process. If whenever you hear the word lean, think about it as removing waste. Yes. It's basically removing waste. So what they're saying is, Toyota is actually one of the famous ones that have introduced this. What they're talking about here is, when we're talking about lean, how do we remove waste in our process? That's the key aspect of lean agile framework. Now, what is agile? Did we hear about what agile manifesto is, or methodology?
Self-organizing team and then just doing work in small chunks rather than.
Absolutely. So in 2001, a bunch of software developers came together in Utah, and then they actually started thinking, why are our projects failing? And they realized that the traditional waterfall methodology isn't working. Why is it not working? Because we're taking time and actually designing what we want, then developing it, then testing it, and then implementing it. By the time we come through all those 4 stages, like a waterfall, we are already losing all the time. And we can't go back to fix it. If we have to, then there's a lot of bureaucracy involved and all of it. So instead of that, they said, why don't we come up with something more agile, more agility to it? And then they said, okay, let's define 4 values. So Agile Manifesto has 4 values and 12 principles, which is basically what they talk about. Give more concentration on individuals and interactions. Okay, respond to change over following a plan. working software, service, or solution is way better than a 200-page document and things like that. So that's the 4 values that they had in Agile. So what they're doing now is they're mixing lean mindset, lean thinking, in other words, removing waste, with Agile, which is much more faster, bringing the teams together, having more interaction and things like that. So what is happening now? Our either software development or service orientation and all that becomes much more faster, and we're removing also the waste. So that's why they're marrying lean thinking and Agile values together. Now, SAFE also comes up with 9 principles. And those 9 principles are actually based on lean and Agile mindset. Okay, here I'm using the word mindset very specifically, and the reason for that is, of course they're saying that too, but what it is it's the being aspect of it. Okay, based on the lean Agile mindset, those principles, they're actually coming with 9 principles. There are different things like economic, think about the economics of what you're trying to do, think about the systems thinking, so on and so forth. But there are a lot of other principles there. Now, based on all this, they're saying as leaders, think about that, and then implement your SAFE roadmap. Now, this big picture that you're seeing, what is it that they're trying to accomplish here? If you take a huge organization, it's very hard to scale Agile mindset. So what they're saying is, if you do it this way, if you take full SAFE, you have at the portfolio level, you have a large solution level, and then you have the essential SAFE level. What is a portfolio level? This is where the vision is dictated. Think about Steve Jobs. A few years ago, when they came up with iPhone, the first thing that Steve Jobs would have said is, you know what, we need to get into the iPhone market, or phone market, mobile phone market. What do we do? So that was his vision, strategic team. Let's get into phone market, mobile phones. Then, based on that, they create the portfolio vision, what is it that we want to accomplish in it, and all that. And then they're actually creating value streams around it. What is a value stream? Any ideas what a value stream is?
ROI from
A value stream is what we are accomplishing.
tangible something.
Yes. Like for example, if you go to McDonald's, okay, the value stream that they have for a drive-through value stream is basically from the time you're ordering food till the time you're getting the order. The whole value stream involves you getting in the line, ordering food, paying for it, and taking the delivery. This is called operational value stream. That's their operating rhythm. But if you see the other aspect to it, there's called development value streams. What enables the system? In this case, someone is making burgers or flipping the burger. Someone is flipping the bread. Okay, someone else is making the burger, so on and so forth. Someone else is making the French fries. These are all development aspects of the operational value stream. So that's value stream. So what they're saying is, instead of projects, do the value stream. Budget, come up with budgets for the value stream. That's the high aspect. Now that we have iPhone as our vision, our strategic theme, the next aspect is coming up with a solution, right? There's different capabilities in iPhone. Camera is one of them, okay? In camera, taking a video, taking a panoramic picture, all these are capabilities. We can have each art, we'll talk about art in a second, but each art could be producing one or more capabilities, okay? Now we take a capability and then we go to the next level, which is essential SAFE. What we are saying, what we are doing here is, each of this capability, there are a bunch of teams that are going towards the same goal, in other words, the same capability. And then we have multiple teams that are specialized. One of them could be a hardware team, one of them could be a software team, one of them could be a supplier, so on and so forth. This is based on the iPhone example. So that's called the Agile Release Train. They're a bunch of Scrum or Kanban teams that come together to form an Agile Release Train. And if you see on the left-hand corner, we have the different teams and the team members. What we're saying is, Agile team basically has a Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development team. When we say Development team, it's everyone, developers, it could be IT engineers, it could be testers, everyone like that. And if you see, Product Owner works with, they don't report, they work with product management. Scrum Masters will be RTEs, Release Train Engineers, and the development team with the System Architect Engineers. And that's how it flows. The Epic owner provides the information done, and the business owners, product management team work with the Epic owners and all to formulate what needs to be done. And last but not least is the core competencies. We started with the leadership and continuous learning culture. If you see, the continuous learning culture, agile product delivery, and team agility and technical agility, they're part of here for the essential SAFE. And then enterprise solution delivery, another major core competency related to the solution level. Lean portfolio management and organizational agility related to the portfolio level. So those are the main core competencies. And if you see, this one is called the spanning palette. Palette, think about if this were an art, a painting, spanning palette is more like colors. You can use each one of them and then you can draw it. So they're for all the different tones. Any questions? That was as fast as I could do. Thank you guys.